What's up, guys? We got a reaction type video for you today. Uh, I'm out of town on work and bored in a hotel, so Johnny and I send each other videos all the time, so I figured I would just save them all up and we'd record them and watch them together. I figured you guys would like them, and yeah, let's get into it. Johnny's here.
Let's do it.
All right,
Sure.
here's the first one.
Okay, send it.
Wow. What do you want to do? Whoa!
I haven't watched a lot of these in so long, I have no clue.
You dead!
Mm-hmm.
You dead! You dead! In the
What was the
way!
guy doing underneath the ramps?
I don't know. Maybe
Whoa,
videoing?
whoa, whoa, whoa. Again!
It takes a lot of work to scooter around like that.
Whoa, whoa,
Oh, for sure.
Is that a Suzuki or a KTM? I can't tell.
whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah! Whoa!
That's pretty good.
Oh, shit. That is pretty sick.
When did the ramps fall down? I didn't even see that.
After he got off the quad.
Dang. Doesn't even have them strapped.
Uh-uh. That'd be hard. Look at his name.
Yeah.
Abdullah Alahati.
That's what you need to be able to do, is kick it around like that.
Yeah. I just try to get up, stay like that in a straight line first.
Alright, next one.
Oh. Holy crap.
That's CV axle.
Is that an axle?
Did you see the A-arm and tire go flying?
Yeah.
The CV axle could have. I hope the camera's on a stand. That would have killed a dude.
How does a CV axle come out by itself like that?
I don't know. Some people sit there. You see all the videos of all the welded pullers and stuff people make trying to get them off.
Yeah.
Yeah. Didn't.
Just roll it down the hill.
Yeah. I'm sure you've seen this one, because since I've saved this like 4 months ago, I've seen it a bunch of times. That is wild.
It's that hood riding, dude.
I don't know. Is that in Grand Rapids?
Dude's good.
Around the corner from you?
It might be. It might be. Run his homies over.
His boy jumps on.
He's like, come on, man, get on.
I bet they go through tires like crazy.
Oh, I have to. That's how it was during COVID. It was like street takeovers with like four-wheelers and dirt bikes. Because the cops didn't care.
That's wild. Some people don't even get spinning that fast on the ice.
No.
This one. This thing is awesome.
I can tell the dude's got money. He's got a freaking Funko behind it.
I know. We need a long travel sand car.
Dang, dude. The rear wheels are still on the ground.
Yeah, that's awesome that they articulate separate.
That's crazy.
But I have videos of it. It's.
This is Oregon.
Is it?
Yeah. Manchester Bay Dunes.
That thing needs a Hayabusa engine in it.
Yeah.
It looks like it's done right though.
That's yeah, that thing's crazy.
There's another one.
That's crazy.
Does it make you miss your Banshee?
Oh, dude, I miss it every day. Especially now that I see the prices of them.
I know, they're insane. Even like I saw somebody
Yeah.
selling a set of painted plastics. Oh, he's bicycling it.
What the hell? Where's the wheels?
Yeah, this dude was selling like painted beat up plastics for like $400. I'm like, man.
It's insane. Fully restored one, like mint condition, well, like just redone or whatever. People are selling for over 10 grand.
Yeah. It's wild.
Then you got these guys that are like, I don't know if you've ever seen, like, it's called the Banshee channel. This dude has like at least 50 Banshees.
Dang.
Right, like a bunch of Yamaha stuff.
No, I've seen the dude that has like all the 3-wheelers, like all the big reds and stuff, all the Hondas.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, this one's quick and hard to follow, but
Does that hurt the forks? Was that a cop?
oh,
Oh, I think I've seen this.
that's a big pothole.
Dude, that is just, that's not even a pothole. That's a damn storm drain. That has no
I
grate
know.
on it. It has to be. I don't know how people ride bikes. Bikes around town, dude. There's so many freaking potholes here.
Oh, I know. Like, I wouldn't, if I had a motorcycle, I would not take it out till like July because there's just so many potholes, and like they've filled my road with the patch crap that shoots up the side of your car. They filled it like 4 times, but it's gone by morning. And the people don't really care that are doing it. You watch them, they just sling it across the road. They don't.
Yeah.
They just try to empty the truck more than they try to fill the hole, I think. But
Yeah.
all right, on to the next. Oh,
Wait, what just happened? Oh, wait.
that was insane.
Little 360. What the hell?
Off of like nothing, just a little stump.
Yeah.
This one kind of gives it away.
Wait, there's that Abdullah again, dude.
It is the same dude.
Yeah. The dude that did the wheelie on the dunes and off the ramps.
It is. I didn't even notice that.
Super, man.
You know, I thought
Guy's got
he
good
was.
throttle control.
I thought he was like, like the mud guys that have so much water it's just easy to wheelie, but he's not really in the water that much.
No. I don't know how you gotta have good throttle control for that.
Dude, my chest bone would be broken. You think that's salt water?
Oh yeah, for sure.
I don't know why I saved this one.
Oh, I know why.
She's better on a dirt bike than I will ever be.
Dude. In high heels, dude.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, what the hell?
Dude. She
Oh,
looks like Marge Simpson.
Yeah. She does. The green
Wait.
dress and shit.
I'll fix it.
Margie.
Dude, that's perfect. It is a Marge Simpson
That's
dress.
funny. That is Marge, yeah.
Homie. That's
Who
awesome.
the heck picked out that damn hairstyle?
All right, last one.
Oh my god.
Oh. Dude, that's
Oh,
why I don't want to
Loren's
race.
bad. No,
I'm surprised
good.
that doesn't happen more in the Supercross races and stuff. They're so tight together.
Oh, I know. Sometimes
It's fun to watch, though. All right, guys. That's all the videos I have for today. I hope you guys liked it. If you do like it, let us know. We'll keep doing these. I'm going to have a lot of spare time. I'm out of town a lot in the next couple months for work, so this is kind of a fun thing to do while I'm away from home. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.